If it's Sunday, you know it must be Sunday dinner with Chef Joe. Hey everybody, and welcome to our Labor Day weekend Sunday summer season finale. Try to say that 5 times fast. So today, it's like the perfect day for this show because I'm going to a Labor Day party right after this, and I'm supposed to bring something. So I'm bringing an appetizer, and this is like what we're making today is the perfect appetizer and small plate, which is the perfect way to end our summer small plate appetizer summer. So you guys ready? I know, say all that, I know. Camera lady's just like shaking her head at me. All right, you guys ready? Let's do it. Okay, so today we're going to make, it's a grilled chicken thigh with an apple fig relish. Sounds really good? Yeah, it's really good. Guys ready? All right, here we go. So we're gonna make our relish first. So in this bowl, I've already done all the work before we went on the air, but in this bowl, I put in 3 apples. These are actually local McIntosh New England apples. So these are like what they call first of the season. We got another week or two, a couple weeks before our apples come out. But yeah, this is a local apple. So I put 3 of those in there and I chopped those up. I put in about a half a cup of chopped fig. And you could see the fig. I just love looking at fig. It's like always like looking at the inside of a fig Newton. You know, it's true. I put in half of a large red onion, small dice. I put in 1 whole roasted red pepper. If you don't want to do it yourself, that's no problem. They sell them in the stores. This was actually 1 whole red pepper in here, believe it or not. I put in about 2 cloves of garlic minced. I put in half a cup of Kalamata olives, and these had the pits in them, so I had to take all the pits out, and we mixed all that in there. I put a couple of teaspoons of fresh thyme in there. I put some salt and pepper in there, and I squeezed some lemon juice in there. So that's everything. And then I finished it with 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. That's it. All right. You're just going to take all that. You're going to put it all in, and you're going to mix it up and make this delicious. I wish I always say we wish we had smell-o-vision because it has such a great thing. I made this in advance, and then you put it in the refrigerator and just let it sit for a couple hours. You don't need to let it sit overnight because there's so many flavors going on in here. Trust me, they're going to meld together pretty quickly. So I let that go in the refrigerator. Now we're going to do our chicken. But before we do our chicken, it's time for our favorite segment. What's Joe drinking? Joe's got a cool drink today. Joe is drinking a drink I literally just made up today. So I'm calling this the Grape Bomb, okay? So it is made with grape creme anglaise, which for all those who don't know what creme anglaise is, think of vanilla ice cream melted, okay? But this is grape ice cream melted, think of it that way. And it's got some rum in it and some ice, and you blend it all up. And the grapes are actually from my actual grapevines right here at the Tiki Bar. So these are my grapes. And why I call it a grape bomb is because not only is it made with all those grapes, but then you bomb it at the end with you throw some frozen grapes down into the grapes. I'm okay, camera lady. Gee, she really wants those grapes in there. Anyways, and then, man, it's the bomb. It's a grape bomb. All right, cool. Back to our dish. So now we need to go get our chicken breast, our chicken thigh. So again, grilled these before the show and got them up to, make sure you grill your chicken up to 165. And then we're going to plate now. So it's really simple. I got some balsamic glaze here. Since we already have balsamic in our dish, we can add a little more balsamic. And I'm just going to, as it starts to come out, there we go. Just doing a little, just like that. All right, and then we're going to take our chicken and we're putting it just like that. And then we're going to spoon on some of our relish, just like that. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a grilled chicken thigh with an apple and fig relish. And that also, as I said, concludes our small plate and appetizer summer. So our next show, we're off now for the rest of September, but our next show will be on Sunday, October 3rd for our all-new fall season. And don't worry, I've got tons of ideas coming up, so I hope I'll see you then. But until next time in October, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, and I'll see you next time on Sunday Dinner with Chef Joe. Bye.